Hello beautiful, I am back with another tutorial and today I'm doing crisscross rubber bands with crochet goddess braids. I'm starting off with my hair freshly washed and blow dried, and I went ahead and parted off 5 sections at the top, taking my first section and going ahead and split that down the middle and start to create single boxes. Now I'm going to have 4 out of this section. I'm not going to do a lot of talking throughout this video because I feel like you can really watch it and see what I'm doing, and I do have a more in-depth tutorial on how I did this with passion twists, so check that out in the cards above. Now that I have my crisscross rubber band sections complete, I'm going to go ahead and cornrow the back of my hair. Connecting it to the following braid. And then I'm left with one that I crochet and tuck away. So let's move on to the hair, and these are Crochet Goddess braids from Toyotress, and they're 14 inches long in the color 1B. Now I received 8 packs from my order, and I used a total of 5 packs for this complete style, and 16 braids do come in each pack. I went ahead and crocheted the back, making sure I leave 1 finger width apart between each braid. Now when crocheting the top, I wanted to make sure it blend as best as it could. So I made sure I placed my hook in on a diagonal and then pulled the braid through where the knot sat right on top of that rubber band. I always wonder why they send you a new crochet hook with your order, because sis is over here breaking them. Now it gets pretty tricky with crochet braids because no matter what direction you place your hook in, you're always going to see that knot. But I found that it laid flatter when the knot folded at the top. Now to complete this style, I always have to get real fleekish with my baby hairs and go very dramatic. It just sets off this style every time. Then set it with a scarf while I get dressed. And voila, this is a complete style, very cute but sassy, kicking off spring with the goddess braids. Like this video, comment down below if crochet braids are going to be your style for this spring. Don't forget to check the description box down below. I'll have all products listed along with the link for Toyotress. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that way you don't miss out on any more of my videos. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!